tough. It's not just the job. It's the driver. It's the truck they depend on. And when tough needs to work harder, it's time for tough to work smarter. Introducing the new Volvo VHD. With all the strength and innovation you need to take on the most demanding jobs. When steep inclines come between you and your next job, this truck gets it done, even from a standstill. Or if rough terrain is all you got under your wheels, the VHD delivers the best ride, even in the worst conditions. And it's not just about performance. The VHD offers revolutionary control for more maneuverability, more comfort, and more safety. Because the toughest jobs demand more, we built a smarter truck that does more.